Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So once we have done the complete BOQ, the next part is to add the total cost of the building. So here I'll write the grand total. So grand total I've written here. So I'll write total first. Okay. This is TOTO total. Okay. This is okay. Where is the total? Control C. Okay, fine. This I'll delete. So this is total price. What will come finally? It is only all the BOQ item. If I add, okay, this is the cost which will come. So how do you do this? Very simple. Just click your mouse here, go to the auto sum and double click that. Okay, so you'll get the total cost here. But actually what has happened is here, this thing, what you do no, so this will not work out if you do auto sum, because this entire thing we have merged, no, so that is the reason it will not take it. So what you can do is, the simple way of doing is add each and everything. I'll do it along with you. So you also do it, plus will this one plus this one plus this one. Okay, this quantity plus 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 this quantity. Okay, you have to add all the quantity, don't miss even a single one. This quantity, this plus 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 this. Okay, two times I added all these things. Okay, wait, up to G76 I did. 76 is this one. Okay, so 78 is also added. Okay, okay, after 78 it will be 76 only. 78, this is 76. Okay, plus this one plus this one, this one plus this one plus this one, this one plus 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 this one. Finally all the quantity I've added. So total, how much it is? Okay, I'm getting 42 lakh. Maybe somewhere I missed some quantity. Let me check it out. Okay, this 25 lakhs I missed. See, how do you find? For example, let us say you did everything. You were supposed to get 66 lakh, but I got 42 lakh. Okay, so then what you do, you can't go and searching where you missed. So just double click on this. Now try to see wherever it has, if it is selected, it will come like this. For example, check this. This is not selected, no. So come here, say plus this portion. Other than just scroll up and check if you have missed any quantities. So everywhere it is ticked, no, it is coming in this. You can see this box. That means you have ticked it. If there is any quantity where it has not been ticked, in that case you can identify from here. I think from here you should get the answer. Okay, it is getting 66 lakh, 67 lakh, whereas here it is, okay, this quantity is not added in that. That's it. Wait, what is happening? This two quantity are added later, no, so that is why it's not added. So what I'll do is I'll even select like this. Okay, now it should come, it should match. Yeah, exactly. See, 67 lakh 55,040 rupees. This also 67 lakh. Now if I want to put this in dollars, come take this, divided by 80. So this is roughly $84,430 is required. Okay, go to the format cell, go to the currency and say this. Okay, fine, I'll bring it at the center, I'll make it bold. Yeah, fine. Now this is the total cost, whatever we have. Now along with that, in any building, it's not that only you're using concrete, brick and work. You're going to do the electrical work. Other than that, there will be sanitary work like plumbing, pipes, commode and all those things. So usually when you give BOQ, you have to do everything. Like electrification we don't do, because electrical engineer will give the estimation for this. This is only for the building estimation. Even the sanitary also, if it is a very big projects and all, plumbing engineers will give you. Okay, but what we do, what we can do is we can take some rough percentage. So it has been seen, if you are doing a residential building and all, usually the cost of the electrification will be almost 12% of the total cost. Okay, my total cost is 67 lakh 55,000. You add 12% of this. So 12% is how much it is? This answer, okay, multiply by 0.12 you do. Okay, you'll get the total 12% cost. That is roughly 8 lakh rupees will be gone in electrification if I'm adding 12%. Similarly, come to the sanitary work. Miscellaneous I'll come later. Come to the sanitary. Sanitary means your plumbing lines, all those things will come in sanitary. Okay. Again, it has been found around 7.5% of the cost will be gone in the sanitary from the total cost. Now again, what you do from the total cost only, you add 7.5, that is 7.5% you can do. Or you can write 0.075, or you can write 7.5 and put a percentage symbol. Then also you'll get the same answer. I'll do for this also. See, this is 12%. No, what you do, plus this answer, you multiply this by 12%. So 12 you write and put the percentage signature. Okay, and put enter. You can see the same price has come. Okay, you can do any way you want. So this is 8,10,604 rupees. Okay, so I did electrification. Electrification is done. I did even the sanitary part. And the last is about the miscellaneous. So miscellaneous means, see, other than that, it's not that exactly your project will be finished in 67 lakh 55,000. No, this, the name itself is BOQ and it is estimate. So usually what we consider is another 10% will be miscellaneous. Maybe initially you did not plan that. Later you have planned it. For example, initially you did not plan that you'll have a terrace garden. Or let us consider on the roofing, you did not consider you are going to do a terrace garden initially. Later, once the project came half stage, you found that okay, if you do a terrace garden, it will look good. Then your terrace garden cost also should include in that. No, so initially we did not do that. Along with that, there may be some other things. Initially, you, like I told you, initially you had planned for marble, okay, for tiles. Later you plan that you'll go with the marble. In that case, obviously your cost will increase. Other than that, miscellaneous maybe some other cost and all. When you're doing a project, initially you thought that whatever sand is available in your area, that will soil is available in your area, that will be good. But again, you later you found the soil is not good, then you have to procure the soil from some other place. Again, when you're procuring the soil from there, from that place, maybe there is a small police check post or something where he's going to ask you for certain royalty, or he's going to bribe you for something. Again, something like that we take, usually go with the 10% miscellaneous charges. Okay, so you take 10% of the total cost. See, whatever we are adding, 12%, 10%, 7.5%. It has to be on the total amount what you have got. For that, you have to add. Now, again, 10% I have to do. You can multiply this by 0.1, or simply what you can do is this cost, you multiply by 10 and put a percentage. Okay. This is also okay. Same thing you're going to get. Finish. Now, once you did, this is total cost. This is the electrification cost. This is your miscellaneous cost and the sanitary cost. Now you add everything. The total will be 67 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 5 lakh. So this is the total cost of my project. If I want to put in dollars, I'll divide it by 80. Okay. And then format cells. Okay. So total you require $1,09,347 if you want to finish this particular project. Okay. So this I have taken on a very higher side only, the cost. Okay. Adding some miscellaneous, and the rate also what I quoted is also on the higher side. But it's okay. Just for the estimate purpose, we are doing it. So finally, this is a grand total what we have. And now you did a complete estimate of this building, of a G+2 residential building. It will require almost 87,47,476 rupees. Okay, let us say roughly 90 lakh rupees you require if you want to construct a house, something like this. Okay, like where all the quantity take of everything we have done. Got it? So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here and you are in a position to do the BOQ. Okay, so BOQ is very simple to do, but only the thing is rate you need to be very wisely. When you put the rate, you should make sure that you are putting the right rate and the contract is not going in the loss. Okay, that is how you are supposed to do it. Okay, great. So in this way, try to prepare your Excel sheets, hoping that you are in a position to prepare. Just in case at any moment of your course, if you're not able to follow anything, or just in case if you have any doubt, you can always WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, 53779047. Or if you can't WhatsApp, you just mail me, putting your queries. Of course, there is option in Udemy to put it. If you don't want to do there, you can directly contact me here. If your doubts are a little tedious and if you're not able to understand something, I'll be there to help you out. Okay, Akshakaman 73 9953 Good. So with this, we have finished our entire estimation part. That is, costing is done. Then we have understood how to prepare the BOQ. We have understood how to do a quantity takeoff, bar bending schedule. Everything is covered. Okay. After this lecture, what I'll do is I'll explain you about the rate analysis part. Whatever rate we took, no, like 8,000, 89,650, 166, 92.5, all this rate, from how did we arrive? So that we are going to see from detailed DAR, that is detailed analysis. Okay, or Delhi analysis report. From there, we'll try to do. And with that, we are going to do the rate analysis, something like this. So from next lecture onwards, I'll explain you the rate analysis part, how the rate analysis has to be done. Okay, great. So we'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.